in this tutorial, I'll show you how to morph logos and even icons in After Effects. Here I have the After Effects logo as a normal image file, and we're gonna drop the Lamborghini logo as an example on top of it, and decrease the scale a little bit, of course. But once you have both logos perfectly centered in the middle, move the time indicator 1 second forward on a timeline, or when you want the animation to start basically, and then select the bottom image and hit the letter T on the keyboard to bring up the opacity setting. Leave the opacity at 100% and create a keyframe. Then select the top image and hit T on the keyboard to bring up the opacity of that image. Create a keyframe by hitting the stopwatch and decrease the opacity to 0% for the starting keyframe. Now move the time indicator a few seconds forward and then increase the opacity of the first image, or the top image, sorry, to 100%, and the bottom image decrease it to 0%. Then select your keyframes and right click them with your mouse, keyframe assistant, and then click on this option called Easy Ease. Now go to the graph editor and make sure you're on the edit speed graph, and then select the right side of the graph like this, the bottom and the top, and then move the yellow line to the middle, and then select the left side as well and move the yellow line towards the middle. This is how everything looks so far. Now we can leave the graph editor and we're gonna make an adjustment layer, and we're gonna search for the Gaussian blur effect and add it to the adjustment layer, and we're gonna select both images and hit U on the keyboard to bring up the keyframes. And what we're basically gonna do is place the time indicator exactly at the first keyframes, hit the stopwatch of the blurriness, leaving the value at 0, then move to the end and make another keyframe, leaving the value at 0. But we're gonna go to the middle of the animation now, where the value is at 25% for the top image and 75% at the bottom image, and we're gonna change the value of the blurriness to 100. We're gonna select the keyframes and hit Easy Ease to smooth them up. And this is how the animation looks so far. Next, we're gonna add the levels effect to the adjustment layer, of course. And we're gonna set the channel to alpha and expand this window a little bit so you can see better. And basically move this left arrow towards the middle and the right arrow so both arrows can meet each other in the middle. And as you can see, I zoomed in the preview window a little bit for you guys to basically see the morph effect happening in the middle between the two logos. For the final effect, search for turbulent displace and add it to the adjustment layer. Go to the middle and keyframe the amount and set it to 50, and then go to the start of the animation and change the amount to 0, and at the end as well change the amount to 0. Make sure the size is set at 50, and then go back to the start of the animation, hit the stopwatch of the evolution and leave it at 0, then go to the end and change the value to 180 degrees. Alright, now hit U on the keyboard to bring up all of the keyframes that you made and select them all, right click them, keyframe assistant, and then Easy Ease. Now select them all and go to the graph editor and then select the right side, and like we did previously, move the yellow line towards the middle, and on the left side do the same thing. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you sorta create a morph animation between logos and icons. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and feel free to watch this next tutorial.